Okay students, in previous class we are discussing general properties of third year group elements. In this class we are going to discuss physical properties and chemical properties of third year group elements. Okay, so first we are going to discuss physical properties. Physical properties. Okay, physical properties means you have to know its metallic nature. First, boron is non-metal. Boron is a non-metal. Remaining all are metallic nature. So, aluminum, gallium, indium, thallium are metals. Okay, so metallic nature increases down the group. Metallic nature increases down the group. Okay, see here, boron is a rare element. So boron having two isotopes. Okay, two isotopes, that is B10 comma B11. So it is boron exists in the form of B10 is only 18% and remaining it is 82%. Okay, so the minerals of boron are so first one borax, so Na2B4O7 and 10H2O, its molecular formula. Okay, the second one is colemanite. Ca2B6O11 into 5H2O. Okay, next third one is kernite. So its molecular formula is Na2B4O7 and 4H2O. Na2B4O7 4H2O, it is colemanite. And boric acid also. So boron is exist in the form of orthoboric acid. Orthoboric acid means H3BO3. It is a weak acid. Orthoboric acid. Okay, it is a weak acid. Next, aluminum. Aluminum is the third most abundant element in the earth crust. Aluminum is the third most abundant element in the earth crust. Okay, after oxygen and silicon dioxide. After oxygen and silicon dioxide, it is the first most abundant element. It is the second most abundant element. It is the third most abundant element in the earth crust, that is nearly 8.3%. Third most abundant element So it is 8.3% in the earth crust. Okay, the minerals of aluminum are bauxite, cryolite, like this. See here you have to know the minerals of aluminum are bauxite, Al2O3, 2H2O, Al2O3, 2H2O, and so first one it is and second one is cryolite. Second one is cryolite. Okay, cryolite means Na3Al6. It is the first mineral of aluminum, it is the second mineral of aluminum. So Na3Al6. Okay, so here, so boron is a hard non-metallic solid which is a black color. Okay, which exists in many allotropic forms. Okay, so these are the physical properties of important physical properties of boron. Okay, next here you have to know chemical properties. See here we have to discuss about chemical properties. Chemical properties. So chemical properties means see here we have to discuss all Thalia group elements are highly reactive. All Thalia group elements are highly reactive. So here we have to discuss about oxidation states. Oxidation states yesterday we discussed. So in its ground state it gives +1 oxidation state. In its excited state it gives +3 oxidation state. So here first one chemical property. So BCl3 is electron deficient molecule. Electron deficient molecule. Okay, so it forms coordinate covalent bond with ammonia. So electron deficient molecule means the molecule which incomplete octet in the molecule which contains incomplete octet electrons at the central atom is called electron deficient molecule. Okay, electron deficient molecule means the molecule having incomplete octet means NS2NP6. Incomplete octet means NS2NP6 electrons at the central atom. The molecule having incomplete octet electrons at the central atom is known as electron deficient molecule. Due to this it can act as a electron pair acceptor, means Lewis acid. So it is act as Lewis acid. It is act as a Lewis acid. Okay, so here BCl3 accepts electron pair. BCl3 accepts electron pair from ammonia from ammonia NH3 to form covalent bond, to form dative bond, to form dative bond. PCl3 accepts electron pair from ammonia to form dative bond. Okay, see here example, see here BCl Cl Cl which having trigonal planar structure, it reacts with NH3 which having lone pair of electrons, then gives rise to BCl Cl Cl and here NH3 which forms coordinate covalent bond. Okay, so boron forms coordinate covalent bond. It is a trigonal planar structure, so it is a boron trichloride, boron trichloride which having trigonal planar structure, trigonal planar structure. It is a ammonia, it is a donor, it is a donor, it forms ammonia boron trichloride. Okay, ammonia boron trichloride, ammonia boron trichloride. Okay, so it is a tetrahedral structure, it is a tetrahedral structure. Tetrahedral structure. Okay, it is a acceptor, it is acceptor, it is a donor, it is a dative bond, it is a dative bond. Okay, so this is example for electron deficient molecule. So all molecules do not act as electron deficient molecule. BCl3 and AlCl3 especially act as electron deficient molecule. On increasing this size, this type of nature will be decreases. On increasing this size, this type of nature will be decreases. Okay, so this is nothing but chemical properties of boron trichloride. Okay, next here you have to know dimer structure of AlCl3. Dimer structure of AlCl3. Okay, see here you have to know dimer structure of AlCl3. Dimer structure of AlCl3. So AlCl3 also electron deficient molecule which accepts electron pair from chlorine and which gives tetrahedral dimer. Tetrahedral AlCl3 molecule which having dimer in is the vapor phase state. See here aluminum 13 atomic number, electron configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p1. It is in ground state. It is in ground state. Next in excited state, it having in ground state it having how many? 2 electrons and it having 1 electron. So in excited state 3s1, 3p2 changes its electronic configuration. 1 electron in S and 2 electrons in P, and remaining it is vacant. It is vacant. Okay. Due to presence of vacant, it is act as Lewis acid. Due to presence of vacant orbital, it is act as a Lewis acid. So it is a Lewis acid. It is a Lewis acid. So see here, Al, which forms Cl, Cl, okay. Then here Cl, here Cl. Next here Al, which forms Cl, Cl, Cl like this. Now it accepts electron pair from chlorine. It accepts electron pair from chlorine, which forms dative bond. Dative bond. It is also accepts electron pair from, it forms a dative bond. Okay, so which exists as AlCl3 dimer structure. AlCl3, which exists as a dimer structure of AlCl3. It accepts electron pair, it is from chlorine, forms dative bond. It accepts electron pair from chlorine, forms a dative bond. So here, see here bond angle is 79 degrees, and here also 79 degrees. Here 118 degrees. Here outside bond angle is 118 degrees. It is a 206 picometers and it is a 221 picometers. Okay. So it is a 221 picometers, it is a 206 picometers. These two bond angles is same, these two bond angles is a same. These 4 bond length is same, these 4 bond length is a same. Okay. So this is a dimer structure of AlCl3. So AlCl3 gives dimer structure in its vapor phase. AlCl3 give stable dimer structure, stable dimer in its vapor phase. In its vapor phase. Okay. So this is these two are electron deficient molecules. So increasing the size, electron deficiency nature is decreases. To forming coordinate covalent bond nature is decreases. Okay. So this is briefly chemical properties. Still we are going to discuss some more chemical properties. So this is dimeric structure of AlCl3, and it is a coordinate bond forming coordinate covalent bond nature of the bonding nature of the BCl3. So these two are electron deficient molecules. Okay. So chemical properties we will continue in the next class.